Hello guys, hey guys, welcome to the official Lagos vlog. This is such a weird way to start the vlog. Today is 22nd. Today is my best friend's birthday. We got into Lagos and today is Sunday. Happy Sunday. I went to church. That's how I started my day today. We got here like 8 a.m. and then I ate something ish. It was very early, ate something or 9ish, and then we got here, got dressed, and then went to church because he had a Thanksgiving today. I haven't gone to church physically in months, so I had to go to church today. They went downstairs to get some things, but I'm just here. I want to just comment to show you guys, like talk to you guys a bit before they get here and before the chaos starts. Going out, I don't know where we're going to, but I'll take you guys along with me as well. I need to figure out what to wear because I did not prepare for this trip. I probably just wear something from his wardrobe. I brought some things, but I planned those fits for a different occasion, so I'll probably just figure out what to wear today. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This is such a weird angle, but hopefully you guys come along with this Lagos vlog. I will try as much as possible to vlog for you guys in this trip. Instagram will not eat as much as you guys on YouTube, so please subscribe, okay? Like this video, share the video before you even start watching. Like, just share the video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Let me chill a bit and then figure out what to wear. And yeah. That's a boy. Yeah.
Make it cash up. Honey need a lamb with that top. Don't show me that little booty, put some pants on it. Baby, you think you make her dance on it. Ever since I got money, I got attitude. Can't be no broke.
My feet. Yeah. Downstairs to get content, so I'm having chills both. I haven't had this in a while. Yeah. Guys, I'm trying to take pictures while I'm in Lagos, and guys, you see this sun? I had to take a selfie. Like, I had to just come out to take a selfie because I've not taken selfies in a long time. I feel like my selfie angle is not bad. I'm looking here and not here because I'm using my front-facing camera. But yeah, we're still trying to get content here, and we'll leave soon. I'm dressed up very cute. I can't even see this sun. But you guys, this is my full fit. The slippers are from Fit for Fit. This shirt I took it from my friend, and I'm carrying my good old bag, and that's it. That's the look. I'm looking at myself in front of you guys. Well, you get the bag. What am I showing?
Make it cash up. Honey need a lamb with that top. Don't show me that look. Wanna have fun with me, like I'm a risk, no problem me. I wanna rock like rock with me. So good she gon' come for me. I'm short on my lean, I'm very keen. Ring cost a quarter key. It's 5% she revenue. It's like TNT America, ain't you compare 'em. Don't play with the stones, you play out there. 120 mil, make it cash up. Honey need a
Bad.
And I've been with triplets, I've been with twins, I've been so long, we're doing it again. Even though I found you 3 years out of motive.
Hey guys, good afternoon. Today is Thursday. I've not been vlogging. I have just been chilling, to be honest. Like nothing has been going on that is interesting to show you guys. Well, today we are going to Upbeat. Like it's like a recreational center. I'll show you guys, but I'm dressed up. I wanted to just show you guys what I'm wearing. But everyone is going, and then from there we'll figure out what the day holds for us. But this is my look. This is my look. I am wearing this shirt I made in Port Harcourt. It's like for a turn back, like it's like a deconstructed shirt. I think I showed you guys when I was making after I made it. But yeah, I'm wearing it with the white pants and this slippers. So I got the slippers from Fit for Fit. You guys know I already have the brown one, so I got it in black as well. And yeah, that is my OOTD. I'm wearing face cap and sunscreen because like the sun today is just ridiculous, and I'm wearing this like minimal jewelry, nothing too serious. But like yeah, these rings were thrifted, and then this chain is from Zida Jewelry on Instagram, and my all-time favorite watch. But yeah, that's and here comes another devil. So we're off to say hi to my YouTube. Hi YouTube. And then there comes Sam. Period though. Go back, let me show them. Love. Sam look very soon. God doesn't wear Scott with their Scott Sam. But the outfit eats. Love it. Period. I will see you guys when we get there. Alright, it's almost here for you. Yeah. No. Okay. This is pictures. Okay. Take off everything, including this. Wow. heights was a bad idea. That's that. I don't like heights. So there is no way. Even climbing. Remember we went to Lucky Convention Center? I was like, there is no way. Just jump. Let me say jump as if I can do it. Jump at the time. There is no way I would do that. Okay? These people up there, they are doing the most. I cannot be the one to do that. That's my friend, by the way. But I cannot jump this to save my life. My socks got lost in this. I can't find my socks. I only have one sock, and I bought this socks 2,000 naira. And this one is gone. There is no way I would jump. And wearing white was a waste of time and a bad decision. But next time I tell, now I know better. Is that water? Wait, that's the restaurant here? Yes. It's not very close to the water. Or you just... This sounds like what? What sounds like? It's bite. The cute space though. Yeah, that place is fine. Yeah. I'll sit here. Like, what's up? Like, cute view. I was like, thank you. My opinion was straight.
I beg you, go figure out how you go snap me.
Do you get my pictures?
To see what we can get. Which kind of menu is it?
This is a menu. Shark. Whose thing has this? This place is fine, sir.
Can't say no, I know you want it.
Featured.
If it's right like that, it's right like that. Kiss me so hot.
Guys, by the way, I haven't told you guys, but this place is still fine. I'm using my front facing camera, by the way. I don't think it's clean, but it's cool. I think. Sorry, there's. What's this game? Best Bite. Best Bite is inside the Upbeat. Best Bite. I mean, Best Bite. Best Bite is like Best Bite is. I think Best Bite is a bread. But this place is inside the. It's inside the Upbeat recreational center. So if you're inside here, you can just come and check it out. It's very nice. The menu is affordable, but I haven't tried anything yet, so we just got here. And it has like a view of the water. Let me show you guys that. I'm using like such a good view. And look at you guys. I'm going to try to take pictures here, just sitting down here. Something very casual and very like vacation-ish. Like.
Get all this good karma. I don't even need to meet your mama. Can you wrap your head around that? Take this when you wanna. We ain't gotta pay too much cause it feels so right. Got us feeling so right. Know it's been on both of our minds. Stepping out of your militant.
What if your phone falls in?
Don't. That's a risky thing. Oh yeah, like no, I don't think it's cool. Sorry, what are you guys trying out to be?
Which one is good?
The salted caramel.
Salted caramel, okay.
Oh, the very cheesecake. I like cheesecake.